A moment proves that an elephant's heart is as big as his body, full of loyalty, courage, and kindness.
Watch out!
Fact, courage doesn't depend on size, it depends on heart. Doggy bravery outweighed fear, and love defeated danger.